Education, learning pods and those micro schools are growing in popularity now that schools are starting the year with this remote learning.
But could this trend open parents up for liability and employment law issues? KCAL 9's Christine Lazar has some answers for us.
But they are starving for social interaction.
And so mom of two, Carrie Lee Mastrangelo, decided to form a learning pod.
We're probably looking at having 5 to 7 kids with one teacher.
Mastrangelo will be hosting the pod at her home. She decided it was crucial for all the families to sign an agreement.
A code for the pod, guidelines that everyone would have to sign off on and agree upon.
It's a smart move, according to business attorney Natella Shannon. Shannon says forming a pod can expose families, especially the host, to several liabilities. The obvious:
someone's on your property, they get hurt. There's also the risk of getting coronavirus.
And the not so obvious:
what if one of the kids is not thriving and doesn't like the tutor? What happens if one of the kids gets sick and then they can't attend, let's say, for 2 weeks? Does that family still have to pay?
What about the tutor or the teacher? Shannon says families should have a contract with that person outlining the hours and pay, but also what PPE will be used and how careful they want the person to be in their personal life. Families should also sign a liability waiver.
Basically saying, we know what we're getting ourselves into, we're assuming the risk, we know that there's a risk of coronavirus.
If families don't want to assume these risks, there are now companies that will do it for you. Naomi Light Javone and her husband created Pod School to meet this need.
It takes a lot of work. You need to know what you're doing. And most parents, I think, don't know that you need all of these things in place in order to safely operate a pod.
So if you use your company to find a tutor, then does your company draft all of the agreements? Does your company handle all of the liability issues?
Absolutely. We handle everything.
Pod School charges between $13 to $22 an hour per child. One more thing to keep in mind:
if you are operating in your home and there isn't one parent on site from the pod, you're technically operating an illegal childcare facility.
There's been a post circulating on social media saying that because of the gig workers law, AB 5, it is now illegal for parents to hire a tutor here in California. Experts say that is simply not true. As long as you're not using that tutor for childcare, you can hire them as an independent contractor. Christine Lazar, KCAL 9 News.